Hello, dear colleagues. Welcome to my class. It's nice to meet you. I'm from Ukraine. Today, we are going to talk about the gift of gratitude, and it will be about saying thank you. She didn't have enough food to eat, didn't have enough money to buy the food, and so she went to the neighbor to borrow some money to buy groceries. Because we always think about what we need, what we don't have, but we forget to appreciate what we have. I'm so grateful to have you in my class. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments, for your likes. I really appreciate that, and thank you for your wishes. I read all your comments and I really appreciate that. You inspire me, you motivate me to keep making videos for you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if we are grateful, if we say thank you for everything, we become happier. Okay, now let's watch the video. Pay attention to how native speakers say thank you. To whom do they say thank you? What do they say thank you for? Try to understand and repeat after them. Thank you. Say it with feeling. Feel what you're saying. Express your gratitude. Express your appreciation. But every time she needed something, she asked her neighbor, and every time she needed something, she went to the neighbor to get some help. So one day her neighbor couldn't stand it anymore. She said, "Hey, why do you only come to me when you need something? Why don't you ever say thank you? Why don't you ever appreciate what you have?" The old lady thought about it and said, "Oh, I see what you mean. You're right. I'm so used to just thinking about what I need, what I don't have, that I forget to appreciate what I have." But it's not easy to be grateful when you're poor. When you don't have enough money, when you don't have enough food, it's really hard to be grateful. We only think about what we need. The neighbor said, "Well, let me show you something," and she took her to the garden. "Look," she said, "this plant has thorns. Can you pick it?" The old woman said, "No, I can't pick it because it has thorns. It's hurting me." Then the neighbor said, "But this plant gives us roses, beautiful roses. Look." And then they started picking the roses, and the old lady said, "Oh, wow, I didn't realize that." Then the neighbor said, "Okay, now look over there. There were some trees with delicious fruits. They were ripe." The old lady said, "Oh, I want to eat them." So they picked some fruits and they started eating them, and the old lady said, "They taste so good, so sweet. It's incredible." Then the neighbor said, "These trees, they give us shade, they give us fruits. Don't you think we should say thank you to these trees? We should appreciate what they give us, the shade, the fruits, the beauty, the roses, everything." The old lady thought about it and said, of course, I should say thank you to all the trees, to all the plants, to everything I have in my life." And from that day on, she was a very grateful woman. She started appreciating everything she had in her life, and she was very happy. There was an old lady who lived in a village in India. She was very poor. She had nothing. So today's video is all about saying thank you, appreciating what we have, appreciating the little things in our lives. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for learning English with me.